Okay, lovelies, this is the wall system. We're looking at the section, if you will, and that means that I want you to visualize it. This is the parking garage down here. This is that wall that has the reinforcement out here, the sheet piling, and above here is this section here would be the continuation of this pad, but the rebar does not go back all the way to the end, so I didn't shift this down. And then above there is that wall, the south wall. So you're looking at it, it'll cut away, so we can cut away part of the deck and look into it. This will be the rebar, the top steel, and the bottom steel that everyone says isn't presented, is not there. And I showed you how it is there. They just don't know what they're looking at, and the cone-shaped concrete that's left behind, what's left. And here's rebar. I put one piece here. I didn't run the pieces going in this direction on the wall. I just have this piece here just to illustration to help you understand it. And so right here, this piece here would be hooked behind this bottom steel. Now, if it doesn't get hooked behind the bottom steel, it goes down here, and that's where you'll see more concrete when it breaks away left behind. But now I want you to look at this is like a 9-inch slab, right? So I made these a little longer to show you that they needed 12-inch legs on them, I believe, and this is only 9 inches. So they just couldn't do this. See? It would stick out. So they did a cross pattern, I believe. Let me pause it and get it. So there's your cross pattern. Now it could be a little more aggressive than that, hold on, a little more aggressive than that. And so there's your cross. Let me do it again. So that's what I tried to show you on that drawing the other day. And you know I get you better details. Those are the preliminaries to help you get your juices going. So it looks like that. And when you break apart the wall system, when you break this apart, when this goes down, pulls out, well, it leaves behind that concrete blowout, if you will, the cones. On this one, it's hooked behind the steel. Let's do that. Let's put it behind the steel. And think of it as a gusset plate. So as it goes out, pausing, okay, so as this rips out, this being a gusset plate of a type, let's do this way. Well, it's just locked in place, but it could be back there. But let's do this. As it goes out, see how it's tearing it down? And you see how the face of the wall here would spall off. And that's how you get this spalling. Okay, so it's simple as that. It's not more complicated than that. That's the size of it. That's it. Pausing. Well, now I got problems pausing. Hold on. Okay, so I got a problem pausing the video. Give me a second here. It didn't like how I turned the camera in multiple directions. I wanted to give you something else to add to this. I was going to pause it and show you what it looks like in the imagery on the wall system. But I'll link the video below in here, and that way you'll see what I'm talking about. The cones that are left behind from the crosshatch. Maybe now you'll see them much better. The crosshatch cones that are left behind, the imprint. Great.